Welcome back. We now have our in-house expert to decode the day's market cues for us. Anuj Singhal is waiting by. Anuj, first of all, the market reaction to the Fed was not so bad. And secondly, Nigel was speaking about a huge build-up of shorts in the Indian market. So both those questions.
Yeah, which is good news. Markets rally when FIs sell and when FIs are short. Actually, today is as good a day for, today I'm sticking my neck out and saying that we'll have a massive rally in the market. In fact, the market was positioned for this hawkish spread and, I'm a father and I say, the kids don't do what you tell them. Kids do what you do. So the market is like that. Market will do what Fed does and not what Fed says. And there's a good chance that over 2023, if the data is good, the Fed will at some point cut, even though the minutes say they won't. The market knows that. So in that sense, the Nifty has now tested the lower end of the range. It tested the upper end, failed there. And now at the lower end of the range, and my sense is that it will defend it because buying near 18,000 and selling near 18,250 is a trade which is working in the market. And as long as the market does not negate that trade, there's no need for traders to preempt that trade. And that's why, that's my sense that it could continue. And in fact, today could be a short squeeze and Bank Nifty could lead it because there could be an algo trade today, the way crude prices have fallen and the way bond yields have fallen. Dollar index is also below 104, though IT stocks could see some pressure because of the statements from Microsoft CEO. So I think that's something that you could keep an eye on. Long short and the Nifty put call ratio also right in the zone from where the markets normally bounce back. If the market has to bounce back, today is the day and today is the first expiry as well. Levels to watch, the Nifty rejected the 20-day exponential moving average yesterday, but today might see support. 79.67 is the line in sand that I've been talking about. That simply remains your stop loss. I think the Bank Nifty could be the one which could really lead the market today because of this decline in crude prices. And as long as it's holding 42,800, I won't be surprised if it is higher level and in fact reverses most of yesterday's losses. But again, like most things in market, you have to do things with stop losses. And yesterday's low could be an interesting level to look at in that case.
Okay, thanks a lot, Anuj, for that, and have a good day. We'll also track this entire big tech space in the US very closely, right? And the IT space back home as well. Amazon CEO saying that the job cuts will exceed 8